Have you ever wanted to create your own fillable PDF digital planner but didn't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you how to make a fillable PDF digital planner in Canva using simple and free tools. No experience needed. So let's dive in. Today, I want to show you how you can create a fillable PDF or fillable planner. The first, click on Create or Plus, and then go to the custom size. Most of the time I choose this size, 8.5 11 inch, and then go to the text. You can choose at the heading or at the subheading, but you can also choose another one like this, but there are a lot of free. If you go down, you can find free like this. And okay, I want to choose this one, and then on group, and then just write weekly planner, for example, and then change the size to 32 or maybe more, 42, and change the color to the black, change all, and then put it in top of the page. After that, go to the elements, go to the shape, and then go to just choose this one, and I think this one also is okay, this one, and then change the color to the white, and then go to the stroke to choose one. I think it's okay now, or maybe a little bit better like this, 2, and change this one to the white. Now it's okay. Just change it a little because we want to write everything here, and then duplicate it. Let me just show you. Like this, I think it's okay now. Okay, just this one is okay, and duplicate it again here, and then duplicate it again like this, and then just write here Saturday, change the size to the 28 and less, it's up to you, and then put it here like this, and then both of them with each other to group to move it better. And again, so after this we just duplicate it, just put it here, and then for example just change it Saturday, Sunday, and then just repeat it like this to change to the Tuesday, Thursday until Friday. And then just add text. I just add the subheading to, note or week or something like this. So here we need to just go to the stroke style to choose the right 1 or 2. I think both of them is okay, but let me just write 2, and then change here. You can change the font to the, for example, another thing like Anton, like Amsterdam, or everything that you want. I just choose, for example, this one, Anton, is not bad, it's okay, and change here and change the font to the 28. I think it's okay, and again go to the elements and go to the, and write here line, and in shape, not in graphic, in shape just choose this one, or you can choose another one like this, a little bit beautiful, but I choose this one to put it here. Go to the stroke to just change it to the 1, and then I think it's okay. Again, go to the elements, to circle, to right circle, and then go to the shape and just choose this one a little bit smaller, put it here. Let me just see, just put it a little bit, yeah, a little bit just here. I think is okay, and change the color to the black or another color that you want, but let me just change it down or a little bit smaller. I think here is okay, and then you can also change the color to the white. It's up to you, like this. And then here to write a stroke, for example 3, is like this. It's up to you. Then get both of them with each other, group, and after that just duplicate it, put it here, again duplicate it, and I think now it's okay. I think it's okay. So in this situation, and just let me change it a little, it's better, it's a little bit professional. After download our PDF, then go to this website. I put the link in description, and then click on select file and just choose the file that I have. And after this, just we click on create document, and then go to this here, and the first time I choose this one for this place because it's, and put it here, I think, and then try to until this, I think is okay. And then this, just put in all of the like this, you can see, and then to put all of the place. Then if you want for here, it's better to go there, this field, and just put it here, and then you can change it like this to fill all of the place, and then go here to fill all of them. It's like this. And for this place, again, you can go here and then just put it here. It's like this. This is fillable. And after this, if you want to download it, go to the this place, download or export, and then export or download this document. If you want to use this document, I just put it in the description. You just click on the link to download this PDF. So this is our weekly planner, and here you can write everything, for example week, everything that you want, and also here you can write everything, and also here you can write everything that you want.